Google Analytics Universal Analytics Setup is a powerful tool that helps you measure website traffic, behavior, and conversion rates. To get started, you need to create a Google Analytics account and set up Universal Analytics on your website. First, sign in to your Google Analytics account and click on the admin button at the bottom left corner of the page. Then, select the account and property you want to set up Universal Analytics for. Next, click on the property settings and scroll down to the tracking info section. Here, you will find the tracking ID, which is a unique code that identifies your website in Google Analytics. Now, you need to add the Universal Analytics tracking code to your website. You can do this by copying and pasting the code into the header of your website, or by using a tag management system like Google Tag Manager. Once you have added the tracking code, you need to set up your goals and events. Goals are specific actions you want users to take on your website, such as filling out a form or making a purchase. Events are specific interactions users have with your website, such as clicking on a button or watching a video. To set up goals and events, click on the admin button and select the Goals or Events tab. Then, follow the prompts to set up your goals and events. It is also important to set up filters to exclude internal traffic and bots from your analytics data. To do this, click on the admin button and select the Filters tab. Then, follow the prompts to set up your filters. Best practices for setting up Universal Analytics include using a consistent naming convention, setting up clear and specific goals and events, and regularly reviewing your analytics data to make data-driven decisions. By following these steps and best practices, you can set up Google Analytics Universal Analytics and start gaining insights into your website traffic and behavior. This will help you optimize your website and improve your online marketing efforts.